Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain closures. A closure is a function with preserved and private data. An inner function has access to an outer function scope, including any declared variables. In this example, let's create a button. Button, close it. The ID will be login button, the text login. When I click on this button to log in, we will display an alert message that alerts a user as to how many messages they have in their inbox. Let's declare variable let username equals some username, and let user inbox equals some number, like 1. Let's create a function to alert user. Function alert user. I will use alert, add a template literal. We have a placeholder for username. You have, add a placeholder, user inbox new messages. Then I just need to assign this function to this button. Document.getElementById. The ID of that button was loginButton. Set the onclick attribute equal to the name of a function, alertUser. When I click on this button, this will display an alert. Bro, you have 1 new messages. Then we should probably set userInbox equal to 0 because we acknowledge that 1 new message. So after clicking this button once, we have 1 new message. If I were to click it again, userInbox is now at 0. A problem with the way that this is written is that we have direct access to these variables. Somebody comes along and they're trying to troll us. They take our userInbox variable and set this equal to 420.69. When I run this again, bro, you have 420.69 new messages. I would like to enclose these variables within a function for some data security to prevent anybody else from updating this variable. I'm going to take these 2 variables, cut them, and paste them within another function. And we're going to enclose them within an outer function. Function, let's name this login. If I attempt to run this currently, alertUser is not defined when assigning this function name to the onclick event attribute. So in order to access this alert function, I need to assign the login function. Currently, when I press login, nothing appears to happen. Next, we need to invoke this alertUser function. One way in which we could do that is to, at the end, return alertUser. And when we assign our onclick event attribute, we can add a set of parentheses. Now, if I attempt to change my user inbox, it's not going to work. Bro, you have 1 new messages. I acknowledge it, click the button again without refreshing the page. Bro, you have 0 new messages. So that's a closure. It's a function with preserved and private data. It gives us access to an outer function scope from an inner function. So that's a closure. If you would like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. Don't be afraid to smash that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.